Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm doing a tie-dye eye look. This is strictly an eye tutorial, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom into the eyes really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics. Just dabbing some of that on my eyelid, tapping it out, and setting it with my Fit Me powder. Next, I'm using my Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M575, and I'm just using some neutral shades to put in my crease as a transition shade. I mixed some of the neutral shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette to get this shadow. I'm going to be doing a cut crease, but I do want some shadow to be peeking through on top of that, so you guys will see in a bit. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, I'm just cutting the crease. For this step, I'm using a flat synthetic brush. This is really good for concealer or this eye primer. I didn't want this to be a typical cut crease, so I made it a little bit more circular on the ends. The inspo for this eye shape and the look is Kate Marks on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link her down below. And this is the shape that I came up with. I think it's really cool. Next, using the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette by Beauty Bay, I'm taking the yellow shade in the corner called Manchester, and I'm using that in the inner corner. Now, I've seen looks like this done, and usually they start on the middle of the tie-dye, but I decided to start on the outside just because I felt like that was going to be easier for me. Next, using the shade Shmoney, I'm going ahead and I'm just going to be blending these colors into each other like a rainbow. So I'm dabbing the color on and then going in with another color. This is Mist, and this is a blue shade, and I'm doing the same steps over and over. Next, I'm taking these two purple shades called Morgan and Miles High, and I'm mixing those colors to create my own purple and repeating those steps. I'm starting to shape the shadows more in a circular shape so that the tie-dye round can form. Then I'm taking this salmony color called Mr. H, and I'm doing the same thing. Next, I'm going back in with yellow. That way I can create a transition between the pink and orange. And then I'm picking up the orange shade. There's no orange in the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, so I used the James Charles palette for this orange. And then I'm kind of bringing it into a full circle. Next, taking these two pink colors and I'm mixing them. And I'm going ahead and finishing off that tie-dye circle. In the middle, I'm going to be placing this color Mad from the Mitchell palette. This is a reddish scarlet color, and I'm taking a round brush and I'm just dabbing the color into the circle. That way the red stays in a circular shape. Next, I'm going to be using yellow again. I want to slowly transition into green and blue again, so I need this yellow next to the orange. That way that transition is really smooth. I ran out of space on my cut crease shape, so I just added some more surface area so that I can have space for those two colors. So the inspo for this look was this picture that The Weeknd posted from the Heartless remix, and also Kate Marks on Instagram. Then taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner, curling my eyelashes first. I do this so that the eyeliner doesn't stick to the eyelash curler and then ruin my look. So I'm just quickly lining my eyes so that I can put some lashes on. Doing some quick touch-ups before I put the lashes on, because then the powder sticks to the lashes. I'm applying my Lash Dream lashes in the style Tease as always. There's always a coupon code down below. I don't make any money off of that, so if you want to go ahead and use it, it's for you. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Finishing my face off really quickly with the power of editing. Next, applying my MILANI blush in, shoot, what color is this? Luminoso, I believe. I kind of put a lot of blush today. I think it looked really cute though. And then spraying my face with Fix Plus. I didn't want to ruin my eyeshadow, so I used the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette as like a barrier. Then I'm applying my highlight. As always, this is the AMREZY Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. Then I'm going ahead and I'm doing my under eyes, starting with yellow. Then I'm transitioning straight into the salmon color. Next, I'm going in with the purple color and finishing off with blue. Taking a nude creamy eyeliner, I'm putting that in my tear duct and then taking the salmon color and placing that right on that eyeliner so it sticks. This kind of hurt a little bit. My eyes used to not be so sensitive, but I think I'm going blind, so it hurt really bad. Finishing off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy lipstick. This is my go-to for a colorful look. It's a peachy nude and it goes really well with my skin tone. And that's everything for this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, or follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!